or things like that, and they're not used on a regular basis. All the rubber parts that are based on petroleum will melt and gum up everything. I'm gonna chance it here and see if I can't get that belt on there and have it play without it gumming up everything. Probably gonna regret this, but do it anyways. So the belt simply just goes on here, fits in here like this, and then goes around this little wheel here. So there's the belt. Right. Let's see if I kind of messed myself up here by not following my own instincts here. Let's see. Let's play. See what happens. Okay, the belt works. See how much longer it works, but I'm going to put it back together and try to see what's going on here.